IKEA is a multinational group of companies founded in 1943 in Sweden by Ingvar Kamprad. IKEA is named after the initials of founder Ingvar Kamprad and Tarid, the farm on which he grew up, and Agunnaryd, the nearby village. IKEA is an internationally known home furniture retailer. Today it is the world's largest furniture retailer, recognized for its Scandinavian style. The majority of IKEA's furniture is flat pack, ready to be assembled by the consumer. IKEA carries a range of 9,500 products, including home furniture and accessories. The IKEA vision is to create better everyday life for the many people, puts this concern at the heart of the business. Its business ideas support this vision by offering a wide range of well-designed, functional home furnishing products at prices so low that as many as possible people will be able to afford them.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Mastura binti Abdullah from DBS 6F. Today, my friends and I are going to talk about corporate social responsibility, or CSR, of a multinational company, IKEA. But first, what is corporate social responsibility? So CSR is an evolving business practice that helps the company to be socially accountable. It appears to play an important role in enhancing the economic, social, and environmental performances. So, as we all know, IKEA is an internationally known home furniture retailer that has grown rapidly since the 1943. How does IKEA do it? Well, apart from applying the marketing mix strategy in its business, IKEA maintains a sustainable business by implementing CSR as a global supply chain. Throughout the rapid growth, IKEA has let the company realize that with the marketing mix comprising the 4 P's, which is product, price, place, and promotion, are not strong enough to compete with other companies nowadays. Corporate social responsibility (CSR) has implemented in IKEA to help the company, which evolved from being economic capitalist to an economic environmentalist. CSR is a sustainable solution that can generate social, economic, and environmental benefits in IKEA, where it has integrated it into its operational practices. The CSR implementation in IKEA can create a balance between economic target and social responsibilities. It is applied by committing to society and stakeholders to contribute values for social upliftment.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Muhammad Arif Adli bin Khelmee from DBS 6F. I will talk about CSR in IKEA. CSR is important for a company operates in a way to demonstrate social responsibility. Although it is not a legal requirement, it is a good practice for a company. The idea for implementing CSR into IKEA is IKEA can support local communities. IKEA groups operate 422 stores in 50 markets around the world. The home improvement and furnishing chain aims to cause positive impact on local communities, which the stores are located. Packing event organized by all IKEA stores in Sweden involve customer and representative from Save the Children to prepare more than 37,000 welcome backpacks filled with toys and products for children. IKEA also educating and empowering workers. Starting from January 2015, IKEA has introduced a new hourly wage structure that concentrates on the needs of its employees rather than market standards. Because of the CSR, there are 2 impacts to their stakeholder that I can identify. First, there will be a rise in shareholder activism, and the second one is the rise in sustainable and responsibility investing. The CSR will give a good impression to the investor, so many investors will invest to the company. That's all from me. Next, I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Isma Aina binti Izmal Hisham. So today I would like to talk about what does CSR have on the company business performance. As we know, IKEA is an internationally home furnishing retailer that has grown rapidly since the year 1943 until now. IKEA maintains a sustainable business by implementing corporate social responsibilities, which is CSR, as a global supply chain. The purpose of this research is to analyze CSR practice in global supply chain. CSR bring a lot of benefit to IKEA's company. The result of the study indicate that CSR practice bring a positive impact on the organization in the IKEA. CSR is very important for a company to operate in a way demonstrate social responsibility. Even though this is not a legal requirement, it is a good practice for a company to account social and focus on environmental issues. Firstly, CSR can help IKEA's company to be socially accountable to stakeholders and the public. The purpose of CSR in the IKEA is to give back to the community which take part in and provide positive social value. CSR IKEAs bring a lot of benefit for employees, society, business, and non-profit. CSR also can help the IKEA's company to stand out from the competition, such as committed to going one step further by considering social and environmental factors. IKEA CSR efforts and activities comprise supporting local communities, educating and empowering workers. Secondly, CSR also can increase IKEA's company sales. As the brand IKEA become famous, more and more people can get driven to purchase the product from IKEA. IKEA understand that CSR can promote respect for their company in the marketplace, which can result in the higher sale. It is because customers will buy the product when the company help other people. Customers automatically feels that he or she will involve in the CSR when they buy and spend their money for the product from IKEA. Thirdly, CSR also allows IKEA's organization to nurture its asset, which include goodwill, trust, and a good reputation. IKEA's company regard their good name and their brand to be one of their most valuable assets, and by showing that they take their social responsibility, they are also encourage the public to take them seriously. Okay, last but not least, CSR can bring creativity to the work from IKEA, which is CSR motivates people to include creativity in their work to meet the social requirement. In conclusion, IKEA's company get more benefit from the CSR. Performing corporate responsibility, which is CSR, is necessary for firms like IKEA that want to be successful in the long run. That's all from me. Thank you.
So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohd Haikal bin Adli from the class of DBS 6F. So, I'm gonna talk about what is the controversies or obstacles that encountered when IKEA's company doing their corporate social responsibility. So, here we go. So, what are the controversies encountered when IKEA's doing their corporate social responsibility? So, the first is about human rights, where there are some questionable practices that are revealed regarding human rights record of IKEA's company. IKEA's company are accused for being a communist regime for more than 30 years ago, where they use political prisoners to work with them building the furniture. But if the prisoners refuse to work with them, the prisoners will be punished. Next, IKEA is accused that they are outsourcing drugs from a company in India that using child labor. Hence, these two issues resulting to human right track record that is not clean for IKEA's company. Next is about privacy. IKEA's company has conducted a private investigation on one of their employees in France. This is because one of the employees has extended sick leave due to flu and fever. So, why are they doing this? Because IKEA want to know what is the agenda behind the extended sick leave. So, this issue has been a controversy that encountered when IKEA is doing their corporate social responsibility, because they doesn't respect the privacy of the employees, and they fired the employees that has the extended sick leave. It's about product quality. Okay, this issues is about product quality and also another scandal of IKEA's company during the corporate social responsibility. Okay, this issue is about a case where IKEA's company is accused of selling meatballs that contain horse DNA and also made from horse meat. Okay, so what are the actions that took by IKEA to enlighten about this case? So IKEA told everyone, told the press that this meatball they got from the suppliers that buy from the slaughterhouses in a country. This is encountered when IKEA doing their corporate social responsibility. So the last issue is about corporate governance, where IKEA's complex of corporate structure has an ethical issue, where the management structure is opaque and highly hierarchical, and also IKEA's company is run by a private company that is in turn run by a Dutch non-profit. So that is an issue that happens in Russia, and also what is the action took by the IKEA to encounter this accusation. So IKEA has raised their investment in Russia as a protest to this issue, and also two senior IKEA's executives has been fired for allowing bribes to be paid in exchange for electrical supplies. So this is the last issue or controversies that encountered when IKEA's doing the corporate social responsibility. Thank you. Hi. So I'm done to show you what is the controversies or obstacles encountered when IKEA doing the corporate social responsibility. So after all the controversies or obstacles that encountered in their CSR, IKEA has been improving their structure, their operations day by day to make sure that they create a better future for everyone and keep on their vision, which is supplying furniture at a lower cost. So that's all from me.